Hair growth. Supports growth of thicker, fuller hair. Advanced hair complete. Complex. 90 capsules. Dietary supplement. So I bought this one from Costco. It's quite expensive, $32. It was on sale too. It's by Nature's Bounty. It says #1 brand for hair, skin, and nails. So as I get older, my hair start thinning. So I start taking this other one, Natrol Biotin 10,000 milligram. So it supports healthy hair, skin, and nails for those low in biotin, 0 sugar. So this one is chewable, 1 tablet daily, strawberry flavors. So this one here, this one, I swear, this one grows nails very thick and fast. So if you like fingernails, this would be it. This one grows very thick nails, fingernails and toenails, okay? And also grow mustache. My mustache and beard, facial hair, it grows very quick. It's very thick too, if you like that. Those I don't want. I want hair on my head. My head start thinning hair, so I take this one. And honestly, I think there are hair fibers growing on top of my head, but not as thick or as much as I wanted, okay? So this one here, it grows fingernails and beard, facial hair, beard, mustache. It grows very thick. So fingernails, toenails. This one grow very thick. This one, Natrol Biotin 10,000 mcg. I'm not sure what that is, or some kind of milligram, okay? So now I tried this one here, Natrol, for actually for a couple of years now. It's very good. It's not bad. But I want thicker hair, not thicker fingernails or thicker mustache and beard, facial hair. So now I'm trying this one, hair growth. This one is quite expensive. It's over $30 for 90 capsules, for almost half the capsules, and 3 times the amount of price. This one here, I think, is $10, less than $10 a bottle. This one contains 250 tablets, and this is biotin, so it's focused on hair, skin, and nails. So this one specifically say hair growth, so I'll try it. So this open box. So let's see what it looks like. I don't need to open it right now because this one I still have a lot of this one left. But open it just for viewers to see what it looks like. So this one is capsules. It's capsule. So it's sealed. Sealed, so I guess I'm guessing it's take 1 daily, but follow the instruction though. There's instructions in here, direction. So just take this video as a sample, let people know for thinning hair. So yeah, it's capsule. It's capsule. So let's see what it's like. Okay. Thanks for watching.